We're certainly hopeful of that, and then of course we'll be carrying on with the rest of the display with Tutor next in the skies, which is a training aircraft that many RAF pilots will cut their wings on. And we've got Aaron who's going to take us through that today. Are they lucky with this weather now?
Absolutely, and we've got Aaron stood next to us, just leaning out of the commentary point, looking just to see if we can spot the Tutor approaching for their display.
A Stratotanker until 2030, so another 7 years of service, making it one of the rare aircraft to be in military service for over 60 years. It's getting closer. We're looking to our left. If you're on the seafront, over the pier, look to your left as we welcome from RAF Overlord in Suffolk. A first for us here in Clacton, making a very slow and graceful entrance, just about reaching Clacton Pier. Here she comes, cameras at the ready please, as we welcome the Stratotanker. What a sight. It's a beast of a towing aircraft that's flying over the boats that you can see in front of us. And it's really well about 10 million.
Absolutely, I mean, it's the first time I've ever seen anything like this, and it really is quite a feat. It was quite a pioneering aircraft, because it was the United States Air Force's first jet-powered refueling tanker, and it replaced an aircraft called the Stratotanker. They've all got quite big names, haven't they, Ian?
It does sound very grand, and such a long service, over 60 years of service.
Absolutely, and the KC135 was actually tasked with refueling strategic bombers, and it was used extensively in the Vietnam War and also Operation Desert Storm. So quite a treat for us to be able to see such an interesting aircraft this afternoon.
No jet being refueled from the probe out the back of it, but you never know, maybe next year.
Well, we can only but hope.
That was amazing, and thank you to the team at Melbourne for making that happen. Now, we are eyes skyward because Aaron is back with us on Radio Airshow from BBC Essex. Thank you to your tutor colleague for just allowing that to